54 degrees Tuesday, and all the way back up to 56 on Wednesday. Well, with oil prices approaching $100 a barrel, energy experts are concerned this winter could be the worst yet, and the most expensive when it comes to heating your home. A cold weather would, of course, be more costly, but milder weather would mean huge savings. Every degree counts. Mish Michael spoke with a local expert to get the temperature forecast for the upcoming season.
Hey, Ken, when it comes to the winter weather forecast, you know, it seems that everyone has an opinion, but one local expert has more than that. He has got skill correctly predicting temperatures in the eastern United States the last 3 out of 4 winters. And the cornerstone of his research takes us all the way to Siberia. Do you have a forecast for the winter season?
I think it will be mild.
Very warm.
I think it's probably going to be a bad winter.
Yeah?
Yep. Lots of snow. I think we're due.
When it comes to winter, Dr. Cohen of Atmospheric and Environmental Research in Lexington does more than guess. Using hard science funded by the National Science Foundation, he predicts what the winter will be like well before the season gets started.
I've, found this relationship between Siberian snow cover in the fall and our climate here in the winter. So if there's more snow in Siberia in the fall, we tend to get colder temperatures in the winter. Less snow, it tends to be a warmer winter.
And here's why. Siberia is like a refrigerator. The more ice and snow inside, the more cold air available to chill us out during the winter. Based on his research, the snow that accumulates in Siberia in October holds the key to our winter forecast.
That's the month the snow cover advances, makes the greatest advance, at least in Siberia.
Often covering more ground, all of the United States and Alaska combined shows the amount of snow that is accumulated this October.
So far, the snow cover has been below normal. So based on that, we're looking at we think a warm winter. We're looking at about a 1 degree on average above normal.
Here in New England, with the biggest departure of as much as 2.5 degrees in the middle of the country. Dr. Cohen looks at many variables to come up with this forecast, including pressure patterns and sometimes water temperatures in the Pacific. Billions of investment dollars ride on his forecast.
Well, they're looking for some competitive advantage, or certainly a heads up.
And when it comes to staying warm this winter, obviously we are all looking for an edge, and perhaps this forecast could be it. Now, Dr. Cohen points out that there is one wild card in the forecast this upcoming season. The Arctic sea ice is at all-time lows. This kind of throws a curveball into the forecast because there's so much of the Arctic Ocean that will be exposed this winter season. So you kind of have to stay tuned. If you'd like to read more about Dr. Cohen's forecast, visit us online at WBZTV.com. In the Weather Center, I'm Mish Michaels. Back to you guys.
All right, well, let's hope the forecast is right. I, for one, would like a mild winter, especially for the costs of oil and everything else.
There's been a few of those, too, so maybe you're in line for that. But you would know.
Well, yeah, there have been a few of them, and they're all leaning that way, so we hope that's true.
All right.
Ken, thank you.
Thanks, Ken.